So in this video, let's talk about how the market performed today and also what was the intraday trade what I was able to do today along with the Nifty 50 analysis. Okay, so today is 21st of July 2026 and let's see how the market is opening today. Okay, so the first of all, the market is opening flat today. Okay, at 24,216. So it's just 0.09% down, just 22.45 points difference is where the market is opening today. So the market has a clear important support level somewhere close to 24,000 level. So if the market comes down today, so that is where the support level is. Okay, and also I'll be showing you what trade I'll be doing on what stock I'll be trading with the analysis and the levels what I do. Okay, and also guys, I'm trading from almost 10 to 12 years plus. So check the description box to connect with me personally for more educational support. Okay, so now let's talk about the trade what I have done for today. Okay, so the stock what I selected was Infi, that is Infosys. Okay, so this trade what I have done is, so I just short sold below 1080. So this was a trade what I have taken today. So let me just explain you the trade. So somewhere over here is where I short sold. So let me just quickly draw the line so that you understand the level easily. So somewhere over here is where I just took the sell entry. So this somewhere over 1080. So I just short sold here. Okay, and later that you can see how the price has performed for the day. So after that it has come down almost till 1067. Okay, so this is how the stock has performed for the day. So on the buying side it didn't perform as the market was bearish as well. So anyway, so this was my intraday trade what I've done without any indicators based on my unique study and the strategy. So I just short sold somewhere over here and it had come down till the target zone. So this was my today's intraday trade what I have done on Infosys. Okay, and now let me quickly show you the Nifty 50 chart and show you how the market has performed for today. Okay, so this is the Nifty 50 chart, guys. Okay, and you can see here the market today was actually, it was bit slow and also it was bit bearish as well. Okay, so the market has come down throughout the day. So the opening was flat and later the market has been pushed towards downside is what I can see here. Okay, so you can see only the first candle was the green candle for today, and later you can see after the 9:45 the trend was completely bearish, and you can see the market has taken support somewhere around 24,150 levels, I guess. Yes, 24,130 level is where the support has been taken for today. So after that support has been taken for today, you can see the market at the rest half of a day, like after 1 o'clock, it has just gone a little bit up and it has closed at 24,193 for today. So this is how the Nifty 50 has performed for today. So I can tell completely it was an bearish side, but also not much of a momentum today. It was a slow kind of momentum, and even the recovery what it gave was just around 50 to 60 points in the second half of a day. Yes, the moment was quite less for the day, so a lot of stocks were not having much of a momentum for the day. So anyway, this is our Nifty 50 analysis for today, and this is how the Nifty 50 has performed. And talking about today's trade was Infosys on a short selling side, which our target was done. Okay, so this was my today's trade and analysis, guys. And also you can see here Nifty from last couple of days, it was a bit range bounded. Even yesterday it is range bounded, not much of a momentum as you can see here. But let's see how the market will perform on the upcoming days. So yes, the important support level lies around 24,000 level. So if that level stays strong and if the buyers come in and if the market gets a good push, then there are chances the market might go up as well. So anyway, this was my today's trade and analysis, guys. So let me know what you feel about today's trade and analysis, and do check the description to connect with me personally for more educational support. So that's it for today's video and trade analysis. I'll catch you guys in the next one very soon.